1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset a Ring Battery Doorbell, which we've got right here. First thing that we need to do to be able to reset this is remove it from its mounting plate. So they give you this little orange piece here, but you can also just use a flathead screwdriver. There's a little notch under here. We're going to put our screwdriver and or this remover piece right down here in the notch, and we're going to remove the device. Once we've removed the Ring Battery Doorbell, we can now factory reset this. There's a button on the back. And how you're going to know if this is the Ring Battery Doorbell is that this one is a little bit thinner with that internal battery, and it has a notch on the bottom instead of a screw with a removable battery. If you've got the one with a screw with a removable battery, we've got another video that shows you how to do that. But for this one with the notch and the button on the back, all you're going to do is press down on this button here for 20 seconds. You're going to see a light here, and then you can typically remove, but I hold it longer. And then you're just going to wait about a minute after that, and this thing will be factory reset. And you know you've completed the factory reset process when it starts talking to you. So we're going to do that now, and I'm just going to press down on the button right here. Okay, pressing down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm still holding, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I just let up on the button. I held it down that entire time. That light, when it blinks, it means that it's starting that factory reset process for the Ring Video Doorbell or Ring Battery Doorbell. However, it's not going to do anything for another 10 or 20 seconds. And then eventually what you'll see is there it goes. It lights back up. We need to wait for it to continue to lighting up, and the color is actually going to change from blue to white, and it will start talking to us. And that's when we know that this thing has been factory reset to default settings and that you can set this back up. So let's say you moved into a new house with one of these, or you're moving out of a house with one of these, and you need to factory reset your Ring Battery Doorbell. This is how you do it. There you go. It just changed to the white light. Okay, now that it has changed to that white light and you heard that noise, kind of like a chime, that means that our Ring Battery Doorbell has been factory reset, and now you can set this up. I'm going to include a link to the other videos on how to set this up so that if you've reset it, now you can set it back up if you moved into a house with one of these. But once again, this is the Ring Battery Doorbell that has the internal battery rather than the removable battery. So once you've got that and you're ready to set it back up, there's actually a QR code here that you're going to need. So don't put it back on just yet. But once you're ready to put it back on, you're just going to see these tabs right here. You're going to slide it in place, and then you just pop it like that. So thanks for watching this video on how to factory reset your Ring Battery Doorbell. We hope you enjoyed. And if you didn't have the exact instructions for the right doorbell, check down in the links below to our other videos that show you how to either set this up or restart the other Ring doorbells in the lineup. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.